Hello, welcome back to Afternoon Delight number 6. Crikey, I can't believe we've nearly done it. I've nearly done the week. So for number 6 then, I've got something super simple. If you're not sure what Afternoon Delights are, they're a series of 7 back-to-back videos that are going out each day. Obviously this is day 6, so this is Monday. They're going out at 2 p.m. every afternoon, so it's an excuse to get yourself a cup of coffee, put your feet up for 2 minutes, take a break from work, get your phone out or your iPad. I'm actually having a coffee while I'm talking to you, and just look at a quick and easy card making video. Okay, and these are aimed at sort of beginners and people who are who'd like to make their own cards but are a bit scared to try, or people who are batch making. One of the reasons I'm doing this is because I've been commissioned to make a whole series of cards for quite a large corporate client, and I need some samples, some ideas that I can put together very quickly and easily because of the volumes that are going to be required. And so these are just ideas that I'm going to be presenting to them. So I thought, rather than just do it as a little secret project and not mention it because they're so quick and simple, I'd make it into a little mini series on my YouTube channel. So I think all of them are 4x6s. So that's what we're starting off with, a piece of 8x6 cardstock, and this is in the beautiful new pink colour, and I've forgotten what it's called. So this is 8x6. This is 20.3 centimetres by 15.2 centimetres, and then it's scored in the middle at 10.2 centimetres, which is 4 inches. And then I've just burnished that. And then I've got some papers from the Twinkle Twinkle range, and this is, I'm going to use, on the back there's this lovely Night of Navy sort of pinstripe, but I'm going to use the stars. Do you know, I thought they were polka dots when I had my other glasses on. So I'm going to use the mint macaron and white stars, and that measures 5 7/8 by 3 7/8. So that's 14.9 by 9.8 centimetres. And then I've stuck with the Twinkle Twinkle throughout, and I'm going with this lovely multicoloured dotty look, and that's 1.5 inches by, it was 1.5 inches by 5 inches, so that's 3.8 centimetres by 12.7, but I used the triple punch that punches out, I can't remember what it's called, I use this to just get the pennant shape at the bottom. And then I got the stripy piece. I love this stripy one, and this measures 1.25 inches by 3 1/4, so that's 3.2 centimetres by 8.3 centimetres, and I punched that out as well. And I'm just going to put those together and stick them there. And then I used the stitched shape circles, the smallest one and the next one up, Whisper White, what was the pink? Pretty Pink? Powder Pink? Pink? I can't remember. Anyway, the same cardstock again, and I just die cut those out, and then I used mint macaron ink, and I just stamped Enjoy Today, because these cards have to be for a range of purposes, so they can be for birthdays or weddings or just graduate, anything. So I just use Enjoy Today from Eastern Beauty, which is a stamp set I've rediscovered this week. So yep, so that's just going to go on there. Super simple, okay? And that's the whole point of these cards, is that they're just so easy to put together. So I'm just going to put them together. Right, so that's it. So how beautiful is that? It's lovely, isn't it? Very simple, very easy, very straightforward. Okay, so I hope you'll join me tomorrow for the last one of these, which is number 7, and then I might have a day 8 kind of roundup to just go through them all quickly for anybody who sort of missed out or whatever. Okay, so thanks for joining me, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.